With Canva, there are so many fun and exciting things to do. In order to start, log in or create an account. You can create an account with Google, Apple, or Facebook if you have one. Once you've logged in, you can download the app if you'd like. As you can see, I have the app on my own computer. Now you can choose what you want to make. I decided for this I was going to make a presentation. Once you click on presentation, you'll see it on the left-hand side all of the different templates that you can choose from. You can either choose from one of these or create a blank one. In the bottom, you can see that there's a little plus sign that allows you to add a new slide to your presentation. Here's where you can add text to your presentation. On the top bar, you can see the font, the size, and the different colors that you can add. There are tons of free fonts that you can pick and choose from. As you can see, you can also upload your own font. That is in the paid section. There are tons of different fonts, colors, designs to choose from. These are just some of the ones that you can pick from. There are also tons of different elements that you can add. You can add GIFs, pictures, videos, and even audio to your presentations or slides. Another great feature is being able to upload images and documents from your computer and the internet. These are just a few that I previously uploaded. There are also tons of backgrounds that you can choose from. Choose Canva for your next presentation. It's so easy and fun.